Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba daipet ya katanat kakot kakia uba Preston Tensong haba keren berkilat patai kubor hadin ke review meeting ulai itu bahadu menda kibalade ban IT ka ha Kajela barok kawai kalapoi sya ka saup kendai persen ula ongru bang yoi bagi pajba ki pediang ya kejing IT ka kilek sya ki jaka IT ka ban pediang ya ketika ula ong ngitang sukenjo ya ka prapo persen ngin la ban pelajno ya barok kejing perking batkan wan biang kumbalong mencua. Nakaleng jong uba Preston ulai turu bakidon ki briu ki bakantat ya ketika hanrei saup kendai persen kidon ki balaai ya ketika bat gi kermen bamakiru kin sasyem bentalang banyo ya kajingada na kani kaklam.
The vaccination percentage till today evening we have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good. And I'm sure by the end of September we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign. And I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85-90%, I think, the restriction can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. So this is what I would like to share with all of you. And then the residents of the state, they need to know that of course still some sections, some people, they still have this hesitancy. But let me just tell you now, 49% till today we have just reached, we have just crossed, and I'm sure that hesitancy will further go down from now.